One of the benefits of using a CRM system is staying on top of your tasks and appointments. In this tutorial, we'll show you the basics of appointment and task scheduling, so let's jump right in and get started. Let's suppose that your company sells office equipment and one of your customers would like to meet to discuss upgrading their copy machine. They want to meet with you in 2 weeks, so let's take a look at how to put this appointment on your calendar and also schedule a call to confirm the appointment. There are 2 ways to schedule an appointment from a contact's record. You can select their Communications tab, then click the New Appointment button, or you can simply right-click New and select Appointment. Because we're creating the appointment from within the context of the contact's record, the company and person fields are automatically populated for you. The Regarding field allows you to link the appointment to a specific sales opportunity or customer service case. If you're using the non-accounting system integrated version of Sage CRM, then you can also link to a quote or order that you've created using Sage CRM's built-in quoting and ordering system. We'll assume that you've already created a sales opportunity for the potential copy machine sale, so we'll select it here. Linking appointments and tasks in this way allows you to view a sales opportunity and see only the communications related to that opportunity. Now we'll move to the Details panel and select Meeting as the action. Each action is associated with a graphic icon that helps you identify activities when viewing your calendar. You'll want to enter the details of the meeting and try to be as brief as possible so that important information is easily visible. And we'll leave the default selections for status, priority, and territory. If you mark an appointment as private, it will only be visible to you. Now we'll enter the date and start and end times. The current date is highlighted, and remember, we need to schedule the appointment for 2 weeks from today, so we'll use the arrow to move to the next month and select the 11th. Now we'll enter the time from the selection list. The default times are in half-hour increments that you can overwrite, which we'll do here to set our meeting start time to 9:15. As a default, the system automatically sets the end time 1/2 hour beyond the start time. We'll go ahead and accept the default end time. When we set the date and time, you may have noticed that the meeting planner updated as well. The meeting planner shows your schedule in a timeline view and allows you to see any conflicts, which are highlighted in red. Hovering over conflicting appointments will display their details. Let's resolve this conflict by setting the appointment at a later time. Simply click the desired time to move the appointment and note that the scheduling panel has also been updated. Saving this appointment will place it on your calendar in My CRM. But you also have the option to employ stronger reminders. You can set up an on-screen reminder by selecting the desired time. The reminder will appear as a banner across the top of the screen that will be present no matter where you are in Sage CRM. This functionality requires that notifications be turned on by your system administrator. The second option is to receive a reminder by email and/or SMS. The type of reminder is dependent on the selections you make in My CRM under the Preferences tab. Since our priority on the task screen is set to normal, we'll receive an email reminder prior to the meeting. The appointment will be scheduled by default for the logged-in user, which in this case is Susan May. If you want to invite a colleague to the meeting, use the search box to locate them, then click the plus sign. Note that they've also been added to the meeting planner. You can also create recurring appointments, but we'll save that for another tutorial. Finally, by checking either of the follow-up options, a new task or appointment screen will open immediately after you save the current appointment. Now let's save the appointment and quickly schedule a confirmation phone call that we'll make the day prior to our meeting. Again, you can go to the Communications tab or simply right-click New and select Task. The main difference between tasks and appointments is that an appointment is used for events that have a specific start and end time, whereas tasks are items that don't have a duration but simply have a due-by date. So let's quickly enter the information to schedule a phone call confirming our appointment. Similar to the appointment, we'll select the sales opportunity and set the action to phone out, and we'll enter the details of our phone call, which are confirm tomorrow's appointment. We'll schedule the call for the day before the appointment, and unless you're synchronizing your tasks and appointments with Outlook, you can skip over the start date and time fields. Let's set an on-screen reminder to appear at the scheduled time of the call. And now we'll save the task. Now let's jump over to our calendar in My CRM where all of our appointments and tasks are shown. And here we can see the phone call and appointment that we've scheduled. So to recap, Sage CRM provides easy-to-use scheduling tools that will keep you on top of your tasks and appointments. Give us a call if you need assistance with any feature in your Sage CRM system. And if you're not using Sage CRM, here's another reason you should consider it for your company. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.